Hi, today we're gonna make green pepper with chicken black bean sauce. We use the leg meat chicken, dark meat chicken, but you can use like chicken, the white meat chicken or chicken breast or anything like that. But today we're gonna use the leg meat chicken. We use about close to 2 pounds. We use dark meat chicken. We're gonna trim the chicken, the fat out a little bit, like that. Then we're gonna cut it like dice today, and you don't want too big, too much fat in it, you know. And you cut some of them okay, a little bit okay, but you trim some of the fat out, and you cut these to kind of die pieces, probably like that. Die pieces like that, you know, like that. And you cut all this up. Okay, so we got it here. Then we're gonna marinate them, and we're gonna put some like little salt, little bit of water in it, just like that, you know. And then you mix them around with a little bit of water, and mix them all together. Then after that, you put some cornstarch in it. You know, just enough. You know, see, you can start a little bit like that at the beginning, and you see they cover everything. If they look like they are pretty even up, then that's fine. You know, like that. Yeah, like that. And after that, you're gonna put some oil in it. See this there? Okay, this is ready to cook. So I'm gonna wash my hand. Okay, then we're gonna fry up the meat, the chicken, and heat it up the pan. So we're going to stir fry this until it kind of change color, and also browning them. You know, you have to cook it, cook through the meat, especially if they are like pork or chicken. Okay, I think that's about it. They're all small pieces. You can see them coming. Get smaller pieces, you can pick them apart. So that's it. And so you scoop this up. Alright, so we're going to use diced green pepper and some diced red onions. Add some gingers in it. 1 teaspoon, you know, ginger. Half tablespoon of garlic. Alright, you're going to put the vegetable in it. Just stir fry them and browning them a little bit. We're gonna put one tablespoon of black bean garlic sauce in it, or you can use the whole black bean, dry black bean, or you use this already mixed. You can either one. You can, up to you. You know. So you put it in there. One and a half tablespoon of oyster sauce. And now you're gonna put the chicken in it. Teaspoon of soy sauce in it. That's one teaspoon. and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, then you put a couple tablespoons of Siu Hing wine. 3 tablespoons of Siu Hing wine. A quarter cup of water in it. Okay. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And you keep cooking until you kind of dry, kind of thickening them until the sauce kind of thickening. Or if you want, you can put some cornstarch in it and mix the gravy. But it looks like okay. Okay, I think that's done. So we're gonna put it on the plate. Okay, this is a green pepper chicken black bean sauce.